Hi guys, this is Ranjita here and today I'm going to take you on a tour to Kadalakere Nisargadhama Moodbidri. The tickets to the park is available at the counter in the entrance and cost 15 rupees per head, which does not include boating. Please note that this park remains closed on Mondays. With the outer periphery of 2.59 kilometers, the entire park is divided into two halves by the road in the center. In this video, we will be looking at the lake side of this park. For the other side of the park, we will be making a separate video. As we enter the lakeside park, on one side we will be able to enjoy the entrance view of the vast bamboo park, and on the other side is the tower with the information of a geological timescale. The bamboo park is named as Bidiru Siri. Bidiru in Kannada means bamboo and Siri means wealth. Walking straight would take you to the lake viewpoint, and to its right side the tickets to boating will be available. The lake is surrounded by a walking path of 1.1 kilometers, and there is also another viewpoint to the lake in the other side. The name Kadalakere is derived from two words Kadalu and Kere in Tulu or Kannada. While the meaning of Kadalu is sea, Kere is lake. The lake has got this name due to its vastness. So let me take you on a virtual walk until the lake viewpoint on the other side. On our walk in the walk path, we will be able to witness these thatched pergolas. I just like the creative dustbins and seatings in the shape of a tree trunks. While one side of the walk path has a lake view, other side is a part of a bamboo park with many different species of bamboos. We will also find the details of these bamboo species. And finally, after a long walk, I have reached the second lake viewpoint. You may notice that there is a small island in the lake, and the boating will be one round around this island. The park also has a public toilet in it. The best attraction of the park is boating. We took one round in a big engine boat which costed us 300 rupees. This boat can accommodate 6 people at one round. Apart from engine boats, there are other options such as pedal boat or a scooter boats. I will be adding the Google Map location to this park in the description of this video. Stay tuned for the part 2 of this video, guys. Once it is done, we will be adding the link to the part 2 in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.